I'm Stefanie Egedy, sound artist and researcher. I am now in Val d'Aosta in northwestern Italy for Una Boccata d'Arte project. My work is called Bodies and Subwoofers, B.A.S 8.0 Permanenza. I research possibilities between low-frequency sound, human and architectural bodies and subwoofers, and I am particularly interested in the therapeutic effects, such as reduction of stress and anxiety, that low frequencies can offer, as well as increased relaxation and removal of body pain. My body of work follows a creative methodology where I need to know the space dimensions to then calculate how many subwoofers are needed in order to offer what I call a vibrational experience, which is this moment where you will feel sound waves literally touching your body. I then compose a piece, and the duration of this piece generally is in conversation not only with the space, the surroundings, the conditions, but also with the curatorial team to then understand for how long it goes and how often it is played. I wanted a piece that would go in very slow pace and would be an immediate invitation for one to join us and relax in the environment that is very green with mountains and a castle and wooden seats, together with 8 J-INFRA subwoofers by DNB Audio Technique. My pieces go generally from the lowest possible frequency until approximately 50, 60 hertz, and the reason why it goes only until this range is because frequencies in the sub-bass range are what I call transparent, invisible force that you can feel with your body. I dare to say that everyone at least suffers from stress, anxiety, and we are always somehow searching for ways to relax, to feel good again, or to balance our nervous system. It's a sort of sound hug.